Hello. In this video, we are going to fund the Quotex broker account using Tether ERC20. On the Quotex broker's homepage, you will see the deposit option. We select it from the menu related to cryptocurrency. Then we choose the Tether ERC20 funding method and click on it. The minimum amount for funding the account using this method is set at $10. Enter the amount you wish to fund your account with in this section. If you intend to use a bonus, you can activate the Use Bonus option and must enter the promo code here. After entering the promo code, be sure to click on the Apply Promo Code option to verify the code's accuracy. Currently, we do not intend to use a bonus for funding the account, so we will revert this option to its original state. If you wish to confirm the use of bonuses, you can select the bonus you need, which also specifies the minimum funding amount related to that bonus. It is recommended that if you plan to use a bonus, you carefully review the conditions related to that bonus. You have entered $20, so be precise in the sections related to the transaction, as the transaction is only conducted in Tether ERC20, and other digital currencies should not be transferred. Additionally, the wallet address created is only for this transaction. For future transactions and account funding, do not use any wallet addresses that you have used before. Click on the Deposit option. In this section, as you can see, the wallet address for the ERC20 deposit is displayed, and you can scan this QR code using your mobile wallet to transfer the amount needed to fund your account. As you can see, a deposit of $20 has been made through Tether ERC20. You can click on the OK Close option, and in this section, you can also see the amount charged to your account in the Live Cut section. You can also check the status of your wallet in the Transactions section. To see at what time and date the amount of $20 was transferred using Tether ERC20. Good luck. God be with you.